What's up, fellow Grey Mains? Here's how you can get the Chewy Rice Cake recipes in Crimson Desert. Are you on the hunt for food buffs? Then don't miss this early game recipe for dessert. Chewy Rice Cakes, when consumed, restore 300 health and 22 spirit with a level 4 fire resistance for 1 minute. If you add more of the required ingredients, then you can get up to 600 health and 52 spirit restoration from it. I call it an early game recipe because it's found inside the town of Hernan. Zoom in and it's right around this X mark by the grocer's shop. For easy navigation, start from the blacksmith's area in the middle of the town. Follow the main road westward and turn left on this path right here. Then you'll find this shop with lots of fruits and vegetables. What you're gonna do next is go inside the house beside the shop, and immediately as you enter, you'll find the recipe sitting on top of the counter. Just take it right away. It's free and it's all yours. Make sure to read it to learn the recipe. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.